All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is for looks like Chapter 8, Lesson 5, homework sheet. Now, I left the answers from the book up this time just because I don't have a protractor at home, like maybe many of you. So, if you don't have the first couple answers done on top just because you couldn't measure 20 degrees and 55 degrees and so on and so forth, that's fine. We're just going to have to make do with what we have, and that's okay. All right. So if you do have a protractor, you should have put it down and just drawn your baseline right here and then gone up 55 degrees and then 20 more degrees. And obviously it could look a lot of different ways just depending on how you're doing it. But then it says, what is the angle that they form? Well, if you put 55 degrees and you add 20 degrees to it, you're going to end up with 75 degrees right here. And of course, that's going to be in an acute angle again. So 55 plus 20 is 75 degrees. For this one right here, we have a 95 degree angle. So 95 degrees is just a little bit past your right angle. So just a little bit bigger than your L. Add on that 65 degrees there. And now you have a really big obtuse angle. And you have a total of 160 degrees there. All right. So now it says to write and solve an equation to find the unknown angle measurements. So the key part to number 3 here is that we know that the measurement of A, B, and C all together is 115, right? So from A to B to C, this entire big angle here is 115, okay? So then all you guys have to do to figure out what the angle of EBC or CBE is to take away what they're giving you. All right. So if I take away where this 90-degree chunk is right here, that's going to leave me with what I want. So what I want to do is take away 90 degrees. So you're doing a subtraction problem. Okay. So 5 minus 0 is going to be 5, and 11 minus 9 is 2. So therefore, angle EBC or CBE should equal 25 degrees. And then, or they say right there that it's obviously EBC there. So then right here, what they're telling me is that D right here, so the big angle, what the whole thing is 70 degrees, okay? So all of this, so this angle right here, the one that we're looking for, plus this angle right here is 70 degrees. So all I have to do is to figure out the mystery angle, the one that I want to take my 70 degrees, the total of both angles, and just simply take away the 40 degrees that they give me, and that's going to leave me with what I want, okay? And that's, of course, going to be 30 degrees. And that's going to be for your missing angle of DGJ. All right, so let's see how we did. And yep, and they agree with us that that 90 degrees plus this mystery angle. So you could use A, B, C, D, in any letter in the alphabet here just for algebra. Another equation you could have done would have been 115 minus 90 equals XAB angle. I like to use A a lot for angle, but whatever. They used X. It doesn't really matter because it's algebra. Same thing here, that they're just saying, obviously, that the 7 degrees minus the 40 degrees that we did there was going to give us the 30-degree answer, and that's what we had in ours as well. And, of course, now the last question here is this: when you put two 45 angles together, what do you get? And what kind of angle is it? Well, all you got to do is add them, right? So 45 plus 45 would equal 90, and 90 degrees is something that you guys need to know right off the bat. It's a non-negotiable type of fraction. It's a right angle, okay? Right angles are 90 degrees and can only ever be 90 degrees. So there you go. Just put an angle together. Easy, just basically doing old school addition and subtraction.